Hi everyone, and welcome to this month's inspiration, also inspired collaboration for April. This month we were inspired by a blog post which was created by Dearly D, and it is DIY embellishments. And the lady's name is Diane. I will have the link in the description box below, along with all the collaborators that are in this collaboration as well. Now, I was inspired by the embellishments because they were kind of like clean and simple style. I tend to do more of a shabby chic style. These are examples of some embellishments that I created that are more shabby chic, very dimensional. This is what I normally tend to create. So I wanted to do some embellishments that were just more um, clean and simple. Oh, sorry, my camera for some reason just went wonky. There we go. So let me show you what I have created for this video. So these are the embellishments that I have created. I used some scraps from a Bo Bunny collection that I've been using. I have a pile of scraps, so I decided to use that up. And these will be great for Happy Mail gifts or, planners and stuff like that. So I created a bunch of paperclip embellishments. And these were really simple and easy. I used a couple of dies. I used this one here from Spellbinders, which is called Hipster. And I really like the coffee cup. And I used the coffee cup. I used the coffee cup sleeve. And then I used the banner. And then the other ones, what I did was I used a Martha Stewart butterfly punch. And then I just created my own flags. So these are really simple. I just took the paper clip and I took the paper and I folded it over and cut a flag, and then I just did a couple more flags. I added word beads, and then of course I have the butterflies, and then I added just a couple of um, pearl beads, which was on a pearl strand, which was also scraps, because that's something else that I've been doing, is trying to use up what I have in my stash. So that was the first one, and then there was this one. It doesn't really show up. This is actually more of a bluish green, so it kind of looks a little different on camera. And then of course, then there was this one. And I tried to make these all similar, just different variations of the paper. And then with the coffee cups, I just used the coffee cup. I have the banner, and I added a word bead, and then of course I added a dimensional butterfly, and again with the pearl beads. So there's that one. And then these basically are just the same. It's the same paper, it's just a different colored butterfly on each one. So this is what I have created this month. And I really like the way that they came out, and to me this is clean and simple. It might not be to other people, I don't know, but like I said, this is normally what I create, is the shabby chic style, but I wanted to do the clean and simple, because that's what Diane had done on her blog post. They were more clean and simple style. So this is what I have done, and like I said, all of the links are going to be in the description box below, along with the inspiration. And thanks for stopping, and see you next month. Bye.